Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the all train string in C language. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process. And now yes is open Alt F file menu, taking new file, and here our code write a program to, we can say that leading, and so that is a word of trim. Yes, trim, leading and trailing. Yes, trailing, white pace. Yes, white pace from given string. So yes, that is our definition. So trim, yes, in previously I take the left trim and right trim, so trailing and leading. So here all trim, so that is a function in Java inbuilt, but here there is no function in C language, so we can apply to our own logic. So first means all trim string, what is a meaning, so we can write some meaning. So we can say that delete uh, all leading, or we can say that trimming. Trim means remove, yes, and then trailing, so both white pace, yes, pace from given string. So that is a delete, or we can say that remove. So now I think you have not understand. So let us, we can give one example so you can better understand. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, and now our string like hello world, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is a, we can say that one single quote, so you can understand. And now what is our output? So without any that is a string like hello and then world, so that is our output. So all leading and trailing blank space we have to remove or delete. That is our goal of this definition. So that is a all train string. So now let us check. So I give as a multi-comment line. Yes, and here also that is complete. And now, yes, first we can start to our logic. So stdio.h, and then we can set that conio console input output dot h, and then void main. Yes, and now what to do? So here we can first scan. Yes, so here we can take character string and 200. Yes, you can also use dynamically malloc or free or calloc or free function. So dynamically string in C language, you can watch my YouTube channel, what video lecture is there. And here we can use as a static array, so I and j, that is two integer variable. And then now clear the screen, and first we can input process and output. That is my goal. So separate, divide and conquer to our definition. So first step we can input, so enter, we can say that one string with all trim, means that is a, or we can say that with blank pace and leading and trailing white pace. So here we can say that with all trim, so that type of message. So we can enter one string with, yes, so with all trim, or we can say that you can give the leading and trailing white pace, so that is a perfect. Or just you can give message only one string, that is also better. So yes, there are two techniques. We can scan getS function and scanf function. So depend upon your, so both is work, but scanf function not white place include, but here that is a technique. So let us check. I give the idea. So my so many video lecture I can use this technique. So bracket and upon sign and slash n. So this technique you can also scan your string with blank space. Yes, that is a, and you can also use get as function. So is a Now what to do? So first we can print. Yes, so we can say that before before all trim string is and percentage s, and here we can give single quote in percentage s, so that is a single quote print so in our outputs. So that is we can observation. So that is a let us check a string, and then we can search let us get ch. So first we can just scan, yes, and let us print. So I save first, and that is a we can say that all trim.c. So that is save and compile. There is no any error. So let us check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hello and world. So you can look here. Yes, the trailing pace. Yes, we cannot provide. So yes, I again scan. So compile and like. Yes, first provide blank. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then hello and word, and 1, 2, 3 word. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, and now look. Yes, that perfectly. So previously I cannot provide as a trailing pace. So that is perfectly. So you can observe our blank pace. Now what is our goal? So we can remove first leading pace and then trailing pace. So we can develop the two logic by already taking my YouTube channel both separate logic, trailing and leading. So that is a rtrim and ltrim. That is a inbuilt function in Java or C sharp, that type of means that language, but in that is not in C plus C or C plus plus. So we can develop our own logic. So here that is known as a altering string. So that is our goal. Yes, I think now you can understand. So here that single quote, yes, that is a print in output. Yes, that is a technique, and you can scan any string. That is just example hello world or any other word or any string. So now what to do? So first we can remove our leading blank space or white space. So that is a I equal to 0, and then str of I equal to blank. Yes, here blank, and or operator, and str of I, yes, that is equal to slash t, and then I plus plus, and here is a semicolon. Yes, so you can, yes, here that is a null statement. You can also write that is a advanced feature of for loop, and this is also advanced feature of second. I means there are 7 advanced feature in for loop. So you can also watch my video 7 feature or advanced feature in for loop, so you can better understand. So that known as a null statement in C language. So you can write in the body part of for loop or here directly. So what is a benefit? So that is a count as a white space that leading, or we can say that left blank white space that count, and that is our consider. So that is a counting, and now without blank space we can copy to our same string. So here we can that j start to 0, and then str of I. Yes, here you can look here some different that for loop. So we can start as a j equal to 0, but here we can use I, and here I plus plus. So where is a j plus plus? So str of j plus plus, and then we can copy to our without blank page, leading blank page. So that is a copy. So these two for loop, that is a remove our leading blank page, or we can say that r trim function that work as a same logic we can develop to ourselves. So that is a perfectly, and now str of j to assign as a null value. So every string terminate with null. So let us check. First, we can check this logic. And so only first step by step I can explain. So first, we can perfectly how to scan before and after leading page. And now we can just remove the leading blank page. So with leading and trailing page, we can scan first perfectly. And now we have to print. Yes, and we can remove that is a leading error, that is a r trim, left trim string. So let us check. I compile. Yes, there is no any error. And let us we can provide 1 2 3 4 5, and then hello, uh, we can say that world, and 1 2 3 4 and 5. So let us check. So yes, slash n is provided, but you can look here, that is a single quote, it directly start hello, and before the string that is a 5 blank page, but after there is no any blank page. So we can first success to our step. So yes, again I, that is a here slash n is provided, and now again I run. So you can observe. So yes, 1 2 3 4 5, and give like all string, we can say that example. So that is a better any string. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, all string. Yes, and you can look. So that is a first step we can achieve successfully. Now we can step number 3. So 5, that is after, that is a trailing blank page we have to remove. So leading page, that is a remove by these 4 loop. Yes, that is you can understand I think perfectly. And if you not understand, so we can also take as a watch window. Yes, after first we have to complete all logic. So now yes, here we can complete perfectly. Now what to do? So again, that is a 1 4 loop. Yes, here, because that we can remove the trailing pace. So we can say that I assign to 0. Again, same, only 3 variable we can use in this altering definition or logic we have to develop. So yes, str of I, yes, and not equal to, we can say that null, and then I plus plus. So that is a perfectly. And what to do? So here we can provide one if condition. So here that is a str of I not equal to, that is a blank, and then logical and operator, and str of I not equal to, that is a slash t. Yes, so that is a perfectly. And now what to do? So j equal to I. Yes, you can but what is a j, why that? So here that is a j we can already count, and that assigned to j equal to I. So that is a without blank space that count the j variable, and then after we can assign to null of j, and plus 1 of, that is a assigned to null at the last. So there are 2 times here we can also provide the null, and then after here, so there is a 2 times. Yes, so first we can remove our blank page, so that null pointer, that position is changed, and then after we can remove the first leading page, so that time also we can provide the null value. So here you can confuse why 2 times null value. So here first your answer. So first we can remove leading page, so that null value position is changed, so we can assign, and then we can remove the trailing page, so that is also change that position, so that we can assign 2 times. That is the answer of this question. So now let us check. Yes, first we can check any change is required. So yes, that I think perfectly. So let us compile. Yes, there is no any error. Our exe file is generated, and now I can first run, and here 1 2 3 4 5, and all string string. Yes, that is all string string, and 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, that 5. So yes, here that is a perfectly, but that is leading is perfectly, but trailing is not considered. So let us, what is a problem? So yes, here that is a, yes, here that is a slash n. Yes, here you can look here null. I cannot perfectly. I means slash is remaining, so that not remove to our blank page. So again I compile. That is a changes here normal. That is a slash is remaining, so that not there is no any error. So it is a logical error. So now I give yes 1 2 3 4 5, and all train. We can say that example. So that is a better. And now again 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, let us check. So yes, all that successfully. So first step, that is a both leading and trailing. Now you can observe there is no any blanks, single chord, that is a you can observe. So that is a leading is removed and trailing is, so that is a altering. So that is a known as altering. Now yes, I think you have to need the watch window so you can better understand. So what is a how, it's very simple logic here we can apply. So watch, and then again, so here so many questions. Yes, here first, that is very important. You can as a output single quote is print in formatting symbol, that is very important. And then only 3 4 loop we can apply, and we can successfully to achieve our goal. And remove all trim, that is all trim. So yes, first we can str of I, yes, that is our variable. And then str of j plus plus, that is our second requirement. Then I separately and j separately, and after that is a null of, that is a sign. And then we can say that yes, all I think complete. So let us check step by step. I compile tracing or logic, so clear the screen, and now you can enter. So 1 2 3 4 5, and all we can say that trim string, yes, all trim string. And 1 2 3 4 5, yes, let us check. So now yes, press F7. So yes, you can look, that is a perfectly in here output window, that is a print. So yes, I click here and let us check. So that is a print. Yes, so you can look here that cursor is blinking. Yes, so that perfectly print. And now you can watch here that first for loop, that counting our I is 5 directly. So 5 is a leading. So that is a here semicolon. So directly jump and I plus plus. So that is a 5 here. I value directly 0 and 5. So you can look. So that is a counting our blank page. Yes, and now what to do? So that is a copy without a blank space in j starts 0 and I is directly 5 index. So that is a our a. Yes, you can look, str of I is a. So all trim, so a. Yes, first letter copy into our same string. Yes, so I press F7. Now I think you can understand. So you can look L. Yes, second. So that is a j start 0, but I directly jump to without blank space, and that starting index. So there are two index here. So very important logic in this. So we can remove the that is a left trim function, or we can say that leading blank space. So yes, that all our string is copy. You can look at the last. So that null position is changes. Also that leading trailing blank space is also counting in this. Yes, now that consider as a null. So last that provide as null. So null over shifting. So we can provide two time null. First time, now yes, second turn. So you can look now, that is I again start 0 and not equal to. So that is a again start. You can look here. So all trim string. So that is a not equal to null and not equal to slash t. So j assigned to I, yes, that is a not equal to. So always that assigned to j variable. So yes, you can look. So j equal to I. So we can uh, copy to I, and then we can use directly what to do. So why we can use this j assigned to I, because we have to not including blank space, directly provide the j plus I and null. So all trailing space is written. So let us after, that is a string word is start, and here logical and operator. Yes, so that is a very important both heads, because our string also one blank space. So here use or operator, so not perfectly here blank space we have to in between string, that is a we cannot remove, but after that is a trailing blank space we have, that is a very important. So yes, now I think string that I, and now that is a n and g, and now yes, that is a not considering not equal to. So if condition is now false, not equal to, but that is equal to. So you can look here, j remaining 14 and I is plus plus. You can look here. So now j not equal to I. So that is why we can use that logic simple. And now you can look directly j is 14 and assign to j plus 1 null, and without that is a you can look so very simple we can achieve to our goal. And that is a now I think you can understand, so we can trace to our logic very simple way. So yes, now I can complete. And yes, any question regarding this all trim, what is a meaning, we can uh, achieve leading and trailing both blank pace or all trim, we can say that. So r trim and ltrim. So all means string only function thing. So that is a we can achieve. So successfully, yes. Any question regarding this definition, you can write in comment section. I give the definitely to answer you. And now I can close Alter F3 and watch an output and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.